Excuse me. If I pay you $100, will you punch your boyfriend in the face for $100?
No.
Why not? It's got to be a good hit.
For $100? Okay, all right, yeah, go. Okay.
Come on, that wasn't.
That was hard.
You gotta go harder than that. What is that? He doesn't even feel it. All right, that was a little bit better, but all right, you did 3. Here you go.
Yes.
You want to punch your husband? Yeah. You gotta deck him though.
All right.
Oh,
Good?
that was good.
All right.
That was good. I'll give you $100 if you let it deck you in the face.
Oh, no, it's too hard. It's going to be way harder. Like, punch some on face. Way harder than that.
Ooh. 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 Here you go.
Cheers. Thank you.
Excuse me. For $50, will you punch him in the face?
No.
100?
No.
If you got
What'd you do?
$100, do it.
$100.
No.
Punch
Punch
him.
you in the face for $100.
No, you gotta punch him for $100.
Well, no, come on, Olivia, for $100. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Come on.
Let's hear it through. Oh, come on.
No. I'm not. No.
You gotta really deck him now. All right, thanks.
Ah, that's all good. I needed her for the thumbnail. For $50, will you punch him in the face? $50.
Of course, I remember this streak. I saw someone on YouTube
Yeah,
getting a trick with the streak.
that was me. Yep.
That was you, right?
Yeah.
I remember you. You was like walking here with...
Yeah.
I remember him. People giving a wax. You know an Emma, right?
Wait, no. This is real money. This is real money. And for $50,
So what do you want to
She
get
gets
punched in the face?
by her for $50.
Are you being serious?
Yeah. Nah, it's got to be a good punch.
One.
So,
And you...
punch me.
I'm not punching you, Steve. You'll get knocked out.
No, relax. Steve. No, before.
Hey, that wasn't.
He didn't even move.
No, before. Before.
Before.
Was it?
All right, that's good.